Welcome to our YouTube video series on mastering dynamic date formulas in Microsoft Excel. We will dive into the powerful world of date formulas that will revolutionize the way you generate rolling reports in Excel. In this tutorial, we will discuss the Workday function. Let's get started. First, let's explore the Workday function. This function returns a date that is a specified number of working days before or after a start date, excluding weekends and optionally holidays. The basic syntax of the Workday function is as follows. The start date. This is the date the function is based upon. The start date value can be manually entered into the formula. It can be a reference to an existing date cell, or it can be a dynamic value based on a date function, such as the today function. The days portion of the formula is the number of working days to add or subtract from the start date. The holidays portion of the formula is optional. We would use this if we want to exclude any specified holidays from the return value. Let's walk through some examples. Open Excel and begin by typing the formula designed to determine 10 working days from January 1st, 2024. This would return a value of January 15th, 2024. If we wanted to base the start date upon an existing date cell, we would replace the January 1st, 2024 start date in the formula with a reference to an existing date cell. For example, cell A1 contains a reference to the date February 7th, 2024. We would enter A1 as the start date in the formula. This would return a value of February 21st, 2024. We could also change the day's formula value to a negative number to return a specified number of work days in the past. For example, a -7 would return a value of January 29th, 2024 in this example. We can also use a date function to dynamically determine the start date. For example, if we want to return the value for 30 business days from today, we would replace A1 as the start date with the today function. The formula would read as follows: equal, workday, open parentheses, today, open parentheses, closed parentheses, comma, the number 30, closed parentheses. If we wanted to exclude specified holidays, we would add a reference to the date cells where the list of holidays reside. For example, if cells D1 to D12 contain a list of holiday dates you want to exclude, we would adjust the formula to include a reference to these cells. The return value would exclude any workdays that exist in cells D1 through D12 in the final calculation. Practical uses for the Workday function include project deadlines, where we want to calculate the end date of a project by considering only working days. Scheduling, where we want to plan future work tasks or appointments. Payroll processing, where we want to determine pay periods excluding holidays. We hope this tutorial helps you master date formulas in Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.